Do you remember when all it took to dream of an adventure was a simple sheet of paper? A simple gesture yet filled with magic. You knew how to do that. For example, I don't know, and this masterpiece is the gentle donation of one of my colleagues. Yep, these were my failed attempts. Sono bruttissime. Ciao everyone, welcome back to PowerCoin. I'm Camilla and I definitely don't know how to make paper boats. By the way, today I'm here to show you the second incredible release from the Folded Dreams series. The paper boat. Let's sail together. This is the world's first coin shaped like this, crafted in 2 ounces of pure 999 silver and limited to only 499 pieces worldwide. The paper boat rises from the surface, its shape trembling with life, a childhood dream folded into metal. Its antique finish catches the light like sunlight on a puddle. The base darkens with a wet shadow, as if the boat has just touched the water for the first time. Around the edges, delicate engravings, soft, almost like handwriting, recall a child's imagination. On the reverse, you'll find the PowerCoin logo and the inscriptions 2 ounces, the weight of the silver, and silver 999, its purity. Flip it over and you'll see the public seal of 𝐲𝐸 along with $2, 𝐲𝐸 Island, the issuing country, and the year of issue 2025. Each coin arrives in a premium vintage case with its certificate of authenticity. So, would you let this tiny little boat sail into your collection? Only 499 pieces exist in the world. The paper boat is not just an incredible collectible in silver. It is a story, it is a memory, it is art in your pocket. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao! Ciao!